Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech and innovation. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor cooking with a game-changing device, the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 grill. If you're tired of the constant attention charcoal grilling demands, stay tuned as we uncover the remarkable features, design, and performance of this revolutionary model. Introducing the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560, a true innovation in charcoal grilling. This hybrid grill and smoker comes in three sizes: the 800, the 1050, and the 560, which we're focusing on today. Its unique design and advanced features will undoubtedly make heads turn at your next barbecue. The Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 combines a charcoal hopper and a main grilling section, offering indirect heat for grilling, searing, and smoking. The gravity-fed system is like a chimney starter, making charcoal ignition a breeze. Just load the hopper with charcoal, ignite it with fire lighters, and let the powerful fan and heat management system do the rest. But what sets the 560 apart is its precise temperature control. Thanks to the variable speed fan and computer-controlled system, maintaining consistent temperatures is a breeze. It's a game-changer for charcoal grills, allowing you to focus on your cooking rather than temperature adjustments. With its spacious cooking area and two-sided cast iron grates, the 560 offers 560 square inches of cooking space, perfect for gatherings and delicious meals. The thoughtful design includes a dual-purpose lid that retains heat and doubles as a preheating surface. Plus, the custom cover ensures the grill's protection against the elements. The Masterbuilt app complements the experience, enabling temperature monitoring and control from your phone. While the control panel might not be the sleekest, its functionality is top-notch. And assembly? Well, it's a breeze, except for that one twist and bend step that might require some patience. Wrapping it up, the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560 is a true gem for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Its precise temperature control, easy assembly, and versatility in grilling and smoking make it a must-have. So, if you're a charcoal lover looking for convenience without compromise, the 560 might just be your next backyard hero. That's all for today's review, folks. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share it with your fellow grill masters. Remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and tech explorations. Until next time, fire up that grill, savor the flavor, and keep discovering the world of innovation. See you on the next review.